from our sellers to you. I'm excited now to hand over to Charlotte Yarkoni, who's our Chief Operating Officer for Azure Cloud and AI, to walk through in more detail what we're doing to support your overall growth and profitability.
Hi, Rodney. Happy to be here with you today. We are so excited to share that your opportunity to build and grow with Microsoft Cloud is stronger than ever. With Microsoft Cloud, you have an unmatched opportunity to build and serve every customer need. From infrastructure to business applications, data and AI, productivity and communications. Opportunities are limitless. With growing emphasis on hybrid work and improving the employee experience, Microsoft 365 has seen incredible growth. Microsoft Teams now has more than 145 million daily active users, and the launch of Microsoft Viva enables you to access the $300 billion employee experience market opportunity. We are seeing significant momentum with Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. Over 250,000 organizations are using Dynamics 365 and Power Platform to run and transform their businesses. And serving as the foundation of Microsoft Cloud, Azure is the fastest growing cloud platform on the planet, with over 95% of Fortune 500 companies inventing with us. With our global scale, you can acquire customers once and grow your footprint worldwide. Nearly every company on the planet does business with Microsoft, and this means nearly every company on the planet is within your reach. Over 1 billion people use Microsoft's technology. Microsoft 365 has grown to ubiquity with over 300 million commercial Office 365 users and 1.3 billion devices running Windows 10. With global support and presence across 148 countries, we're helping you enter new markets quickly and acquire customers across the Microsoft Cloud. Our distribution channel is designed specifically for your growth and success. Our commercial marketplace is the channel to scale your solutions to millions of customers. It's the most comprehensive commercial marketplace in the industry, with over 30,000 applications and services and 4 million shoppers engaging every month. And this marketplace exists only for one purpose: to help you scale and connect with customers. But Marketplace is more than just a storefront. Publishing to Marketplace is the single path to co-selling, whether that's directly through the storefront, through our channel of 90,000 resellers, or with our global sales force of over 15,000 sellers. No matter what path you choose, publishing to Marketplace puts the Microsoft distribution channel in your corner. Let's look at this in action. I'd like to introduce you to Unlimited Viz, the creators of tyGraph located in Canada. Unlimited Viz scaled by selling their solution through the commercial marketplace and took their business to new heights.
We do analytics for Microsoft 365. We help organizations understand how their employees are working.
If you want to know what's going on in the organization, you have to be able to monitor it.
With Microsoft 365, we're able to get a common data set.
So we collect this up, then we transform it to provide very consumable metrics.
The other factor of this is that we're able to scale ourselves using Azure. There is no possible way that any organization would trust us to be able to, secure their data in a way that Azure can.
Azure is critical to us. I don't think we could do what we do without Azure. All we really have to do is say, oh, well, we run in Azure, and that's good enough for most customers.
So Azure has been a fundamental part of our growth and success. And the Microsoft AppSource platform allows us to be discoverable in an intimate way that we otherwise would not be able to do. We were getting about 500 to 600 downloads per month.
Microsoft has been a great partner to work with. We get to take advantage of the innovations they bring along.
Our goal is very simple: to help more partners achieve success like Unlimited Viz. And so, We continue to make key investments to help you realize your greatest potential. I'll share some of those right now. First, we are excited to announce that we are cutting the marketplace fees for transactable offers from an industry standard of 20% to 3%. To us, this reduced transaction fee helps demonstrate our commitment to the success of partners creating value on our platform. This puts more margin in your pocket so that you can invest for growth. In parallel, we continue to invest in the marketplace, ensuring it leads the way in modern enterprise procurement. These efforts have led to a 70% year-over-year increase in